Okay, let's spend 90 seconds and learn real quickly how to use the trim function in Excel. We're going to start with this file, and in column B, we see a bunch of names. Those names clearly have extra spaces in them. There's an extra space between Bob and Jones in cell B2. There are extra spaces before the word Bob in cell B3. We go down to B6, we have extra spaces before Bill and between Bill and Mac. We go down to cell B11, and we actually have extra spaces after the word best that you can't see if you look up at the edit line. We need to get rid of all those spaces because Excel will view the Bob Jones in B2, the Bob Jones in B3, and the Bob Jones down here in B22 as different names. So you have to get rid of all those extra spaces so that it'll treat those names the same. So how do we do that? We're going to first start by inserting a column between cell B and C by right-clicking and hit Insert. Now that new column will pick up the formatting of the cell immediately to its left, which is column B. So we're going to type in cell C2. We're going to say equals trim. We're going to open parenthesis. We're going to identify the item that we want to trim. That's in cell B2. We're going to close the parenthesis, hit enter. That will take out those extra spaces. All we have to do now is copy that by double-clicking on that handle. It'll copy it all the way down the page, and all those extra spaces will be gone. Now remember, these are formulas. So if you want to convert those to values, you're going to have to highlight everything. You're going to have to right-click on the edge, drag it to the right, drag it back to the left, let up your right key, and click on click here as values only.